we found a really cool seafood breakfast lunch place called Peep. It's French. What did you say that meant, Peep? Remember when you looked it up one time?
Breakfast place.
Breakfast place in French. Wow, we learned something today. But we ate here last week. We were so impressed that we wanted to come back and do this quick clip for you guys so you can see a real tasty place. This is on Tampa Road in Oldsmar, Florida. We ordered as a starter a set of crepes. They have two different types of topping. They're cream filled, a cream cheese type filling. One was a blueberry compote, but they're fresh blueberries, real tasty. And the other one is apples in a glaze. And these are sliced apples like you would have at Cracker Barrel. But they're semi-hard and they're not extra sweet. That's for my palate. My wife likes stuff that's a lot sweeter. But I'm going to show you what this looks like. We just got these delivered. So we are going to taste this rather, and let you know just how good it is. Really nice place, just like this.
What's your favorite thing here? What's your favorite thing to eat here?
So this is one of the blueberries, and there's a ricotta cheese filling.
Favorite thing on the menu?
That also has a hint of lemon in it. Sounds good.
The stuff just glides down. But this really is nice. I know it's not on the order of seafood, but when we love crepes. When we saw these crepes, we had to try them. So let's try the apple. See. These are fresh cinnamon apples. I've never seen crepes with this type of dressing.
Yeah. Tastes great. Cinnamon apples, same filling. The ricotta cheese and
let me try this. This apple. Oh. It's a meal in itself. The order comes with two, and I think they're the ones is they're only $8.20. This is a cool dish. So we're going to chow down on this, and then when we're done, we've got a really cool breakfast entree we're going to be ordering. So we'll catch up with this. Well, we had no problem scarfing those crepes down, did we?
they were great.
They're delicious, and that is not an overstatement. If you come here, this is a brand new franchised restaurant. They're out of Colorado, we found out. So we are going to, on a seafood breakfast, to keep with our theme, they have a rock lobster scramble. This is scrambled eggs pampered with rich lobster seafood blend. We had this last week. It was so darn good, we experimented. It was worth making a video about. So we've got the rock lobster scramble coming. We're going to split it. It comes with delicious little peasant potatoes with an English muffin. So we'll bring you in a little closer when the meal gets served. Well, guys, look at that. Hollandaise sauce, little potatoes, muffin, and there she is. She's got nice chunks of lobster in there, right here. Ooh, these are nice chunks. So we're gonna have a good time with this. And Aim got, what'd you get, babe?
I got an egg white that is Greek. It has feta, Kalamata olives, tomatoes, and spinach.
I think this is gonna be good eat. So we're gonna taste it and Hope you guys enjoyed. All right, guys. Man, this is good. Honey, I'll let you go first. Go.
Looks like a big chunk of lobster right here. And I'll dip it in the sauce. I'll have to tell you. Oh, it's a hollandaise.
Yeah. We have this once before. My mouth's watering. These are nice.
That is so
Look
good.
at this. Nice chunks of lobster. So it's not lobster imitation. You gotta do the hollandaise sauce. You have to.
Lobster and eggs. Who would have thought, right?
This meal was a little over $11 for this scrambled egg. This is probably a 3-egg scramble. Excellent. Excellent. We're here midweek in the morning, and they got quite a few people here already. So it's a brand new restaurant. It's great. I don't know if you guys have it in your area. There's 7 or 8 of them from what the waitress told us. But again, it's a franchise opportunity. So this is just...
This was called the Lobster Rock Egg Scramble.
Yeah, something like
And
that.
it's got a lot of lumps of crab, or
Lobster.
cut that out. And it's got a lot of lobster in it.
Oh yeah. This is really good. I have to tell you, normally we do, this is a lunch and a lunch place, but normally we'll do lunch or dinner. But breakfast, love seafood breakfast places. I mean, this is just oozing with lobster and brie cheese in there. Really, I like it.
The brie is a little bitter,
Very, very,
but I sure enjoy the scrambled eggs with the lobster.
very nice. Very, very nice. So, if you guys are in this area, look it up wherever your travels are. They Peep in French, and it's done well. They did a really nice job. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just wanted to do a short video so you could see some good eating places when you guys are on the road. And if you see the Peep, take it from us, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining us this morning. We appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Send us your comments. I love going back and forth with you guys and answering the comments. I just love it. But anyway, guys, have a wonderful week, and we'll see you on the next video.